This is a surgical guide for one of our patients, and what it is we scanned their mouth and we created this 3D model, and we designed where the implants needed to go, and they were kind of in a specific location. You can see where those little holes are, and we designed a surgical guide that would help us guide the drills, so when we put this on their teeth, we can drill right down those little holes and place the implants in the exact location where we planned. Just makes things a lot easier for us and a lot safer for the patient, because the implants we know are going to be in a good location, in a safe location, and in a place where we can also, when we restore the teeth, we can put the new bridge on, in this case, exactly where it needs to be.